Go to the Ollama website and click Download. Select macOS and then Download for macOS. Once the download completes, open Finder, go to Downloads, and double-click the downloaded Ollama zip file. Drag the extracted Ollama file to the Applications folder. In Applications, double-click Ollama to start the setup process. Follow the setup steps and click Finish when it completes. After the installation is complete, return to the Ollama website, click Models, and choose a model to download and run. For this tutorial, I'll use the Llama 3.2 1B model. Copy the run command, return to the terminal, paste it, and run it. This may take some time, especially for very large models. When it finishes, a Send a Message prompt will appear. Type something and press Enter to test it. Next, we will install Docker. All commands and links are in the description. Choose your version based on your Mac's processor and download Docker. Then go to the Downloads folder, double-click the downloaded Docker file, and a new window will open. Drag the Docker icon from the new window to the Applications folder. Then double-click the Docker icon in the Applications folder to start the setup. If you see this window saying that a software update is required, click on Install. After the update install is done, go through the Docker setup steps. When the setup is finished, you should see the Docker desktop window. Next, go to open-webui GitHub page. Scroll down to If Ollama is on your computer, use this command. Copy the command. Open the terminal, paste the command, and run it. The command sets up and runs the open-webui app in a Docker container. This might take a while, so be patient. When the process completes, open Docker and confirm that the open-webui container is running. Click the copy link icon next to the port number to launch open-webui in a web browser. If open-webui doesn't load right away, wait a few minutes and try again. When the page loads, click the Get Started link and create admin account. Once you are in the open-webui, choose your model from the drop-down menu and start using it. Now that you've reached the end of the video, please consider subscribing and liking it. Feel free to ask any questions or leave a comment. Thank you.